Good morning, students. We're now in lesson 15 of Foundation of Shorthand. For lesson 15, you will learn word ending there, word beginning fur, and the symbol for the sound of ow. So first we have the there words. Again, we have the under if, and we also have the over if. Are a there rather, F a there father, U there other, gay a there gather, N e there neither, U e there weather, B r o there brother, A n o there another, T o gay e there together, and then M o there mother, E there either, O is r author, O is rs authors, BO their father, and BO their as fathers. Okay. Then the fur words. The word beginning fur, as in further, is written with the F symbol. Okay. Which you have already been using, right? Uh, for the abbreviation for the sound of for. Okay. So we have here further, MOR, furthermore, furnace, furnish, furnish, furnishes, furnishes, and refurnish, refurnish. Okay. Now, for the sound of ow, it is the combination of the sound of A and the sound of U. So we have here, yeah, AU. That's the symbol for ow. Sample words. H, ow, how. N, ow, now. S, ow, if, south. H, ow, s, house. A, ow, and s, announce. Ow, and s, T, announced. And then T, ow, n, down. D, ow, n, down. D, ow, T, doubt. D, ow, T, S, doubts. K, R, ow, D, crowd. And B, R, ow, N, brown. Okay, so that's it for lesson 15. The sound of ow, again, combination of A and U. And F, we use it for the sound of fur. And then for the there words, we use either the under if or the over if. See you in lesson 16.